Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard Gulab Jamun soft. Many factors contribute to hard Gulab Jamun. Over-kneading the dough develops too much gluten, resulting in a tough texture. An incorrect dough consistency, either too dry or too wet, also makes them dense. Furthermore, frying at excessively high temperatures can quickly form a hard outer shell, preventing proper syrup absorption. The secret to soft Gulab Jamun begins with the dough. Always use fresh khoya or good quality full-fat milk powder. Knead the dough very gently for just 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a smooth, pliable consistency without overworking it. A small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon, of baking soda helps achieve that desired light and airy texture. Proper frying is crucial for tender Gulab Jamun. Heat your oil or ghee to a medium-low temperature, ideally around 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the jamuns slowly and patiently, allowing them to cook through and brown evenly without burning. Avoid overcrowding the pan, as this drops the oil temperature and can lead to uneven cooking and a harder texture. The final step for soft Gulab Jamun is proper syrup absorption. Prepare a sugar syrup that is warm, not boiling hot, when you add the fried jamuns. Allow them to soak for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or even overnight, to fully absorb the sweetness and become incredibly soft. The syrup should have a thin, one-string consistency for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.